On today's episode of The Blind Pig, I'm going to try to make my friend Yaz the world's spiciest margarita. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. Today's episode, we are greeted once again by our good friend Yaz. Welcome back.
Thank you for having me.
I've been looking to make this drink for a while. I've made this tequila quite a while. I did a video on this. I've been looking for someone, we'll call it a guinea pig, that can handle it. So, Yaz, I'm making you the world's spiciest margarita. Do you like spicy?
I do like spicy around, the mouth. It's the exit that's a little...
Okay, understand. Well, I can't always handle super spicy. I know this tequila is about as much as I can take. I'm going to try to kick it up a notch or two. I gave you a little taste before we started. What'd you think?
It's hot.
Okay, well, this is going to be pretty much a normal margarita, just spiced up. So to get started, we're going to rim our glass first off. A little lime juice on there. Nothing wrong with lime juice, right? All good there.
We're good so far.
Instead of salt, we're going to use tahini. We've used this in other videos. It's a little spicier. It's the spicy cousin to using salt in margarita. It's got chili powder, salt, some other stuff in there. Still pretty tasty though, right?
It is tasty.
Spicier than salt for sure, but still tasty. I'll use that in a second. And we got the milk here. We got the bread here. Just in case Yaz wanted to make sure, if we need that crutch there, it's available for him.
It's a good crutch.
So we're going to toss a few ice cubes here in a shaker. Because at least it might be hot. We'll get it cold for you though. We're not gonna heat it up for you. All right. So we got our infused tequila. We've done this before. You can see the difference in color. So this triple sec I infused today. These are still red. These are the exact same peppers. They're almost white now, just because the tequila is kind of taking all that flavor in. It's a decent tequila. It's a common rated tequila. It's a Blanco. It's a lot less Blanco now than when we started. Yeah. It should be good. So we're going to start out. We're going to do a pretty typical ratio here. We're going to do 2 ounces of our tequila. We also, like I said, infused our triple sec. We just did this today. It hasn't taken on too much of the flavor, but let's kick it up a little bit of a notch. If you're going to make the world's spiciest, let's spice it up, right?
Yeah, well, why not?
We're going to do 1 part of our triple sec. And then this is actually a simple sugar I made, or simple syrup I made rather. It uses Demerara sugar, which is why it's brown. And again, we got to spice it up, so we infused habaneros in this. It's sweet, but it's spicy too.
Yeah.
So we're going to use about half of an ounce of that, a little less than half an ounce, probably 1/4 ounce of that. Smell it? And then, of course, the only thing that's not spicy about this is lime juice. I actually thought of a way to make it spicy. My wife said, we want Yaz to come back again. We like the guy. Let's not kill him. Yeah. So our traditional lime juice here, we'll use a little more than that. Slice one more up here. Should have been a little more prepared for you. All right. Hey, well, while I am shaking that up, you want to go ahead and put me a few ice cubes in there? I'd say maybe half full of ice cubes. It's all right.
I just keep going. No,
that's good. We're good then. So again, it's going to be spicy, but at least it's cold, right? Give it a feel. Nice and cold, right?
Yeah.
How hot could it be if it's that cold? Come on. We'll go ahead and strain that into our glass here. It looks like a margarita, right? And for a garnish, usually a margarita, you use a lime wedge. We're making the world's spiciest, so we're going to use a couple of sliced habaneros. And for more color, a couple dried arbol chilies, same stuff we used in there. There you go, bud. Bottoms up.
Thanks.
Yeah, let us know what you think.
All right, here we go.
The world's spiciest margarita.
I'm genuinely scared. Oh my God.
How is it?
It's delicious.
Well, I can't make you do it without you trying it too.
That's got a kick.
Holy.
Yeah, I got a kick, dude.
Wow. Well, if that's not the world's spiciest margarita, I don't think I'm going to try the world's spiciest margarita.
That's
Man.
kind of kick.
So, Yaz, thanks for joining us. Thanks for being our guinea pig. We'll finish this one off camera. What do you say?
Anytime.
So, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below. We'll make sure we also link out Yazzy Fade TV in the comments. That's Yaz's YouTube channel. I'm probably a little speechless right now, but you want to sit?
I'm good.
Cheers, guys.